How to fix. You need the official WhatsApp to use this account error. Step 1. Clear cache. Android only. Long press Instagram and click App Info. Next click Clear Data and Clear Cache. Step 2. Check your WhatsApp version. Ensure you are using the official WhatsApp app from the Google Play Store, Android, or App Store, iPhone. If you're using a modified version like GB WhatsApp or WhatsApp Plus, uninstall it and download the official app. Step 3. Update WhatsApp. Check the Play Store for updates and install the latest version of WhatsApp. Step 4. Reinstall WhatsApp. Uninstall WhatsApp from your device. Re-download and install the official app from the Play Store or App Store. Step 5. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve app-related issues. Step 6. Contact WhatsApp support. If the issue persists, contact WhatsApp support through the app or on their website for further assistance. If this helped fix the error, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick solutions.